Okay, the door and drawer front edge banding product attribute is a hidden attribute that is using a generic field out of the gate. Functions very much the same way as most of the other hidden attributes. You have a cost per foot, bin number, and an export name. So those really are the simple fields. You have the same inventory challenge as some of the others, and the fact that because it is a hidden attribute, it is using one generic inventory item. So if you want it to be more specific, then you're going to need to either write the formulas to allocate that supply or make it a value that is looking to the inventory item that you want. So with that being said, door and drawer front edge banding is also only activating edge banding when the material IDs equal 1. That's when it is determining that it is a slab face.